Welcome to SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. Today we're looking at a 2021 Tahoe 450 TS in great condition. This boat comes on its own trailer and is powered up with a Mercury Pro XS 115 horsepower engine with the upgraded lower unit. As you can see, this boat is super clean. No dents, dings, or scratches anywhere. The trailer's in great condition. Let's take a look up topsides. Taking a look up topsides on the Tahoe 450 TF. As you can see, this boat is super clean, in great condition, practically new condition. All the cushions in great shape. The boat is super clean. Got a Jensen Bluetooth stereo over on the cockpit side. Analog gauges, master switch, bilge, live well, nav lights, courtesy lights, and they've got the Lawrence Elite fish finder. Capacity of 8 people on this super clean Tahoe 450 TF. If you're interested, give us a call at SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin.